The book, How to Make Millions from Apps, will share with you the secrets of how you can create apps with no programming, coding, or design experience. I'll even share with you the little known secret of how you can create apps for free. This and so much more. I've even included over $128 worth of free bonuses and resources that include my app creation blueprint. This is what I use and it's what I've built my entire app business on. And I'll share with you a little secret. I've got over 150 apps in my app portfolio, and it's growing on multiple platforms every single month. And all this with no programming, coding, or design experience. And you might be thinking, hey, I've got a really limited budget. I can share with you how to capitalize on your limited budget and publish an app that makes money. So if you really want to know these secrets, How to Make Millions from Apps is the book that's going to expose all these secrets and make it so simple for you to succeed at creating an app.
So here's 50 ways that you can increase the visibility of your app and get some great marketing and exposure. Because you've created an app, now you want to get visibility, you want to get marketing, you want to get downloads of your apps, and that's what matters. When you can start getting downloads, you can start increasing the revenues that your app makes. So here's a short list of 50 ways you can do it. Some of them sound crazy, some of them may sound simple, but think of them. How can you actually use them in your marketing and in what you're doing? How can you kind of make it unique? So let's run through this list quickly. And 50 ideas, see what's going to work for you. Right here, the top 100. What can the top 100? And you might start thinking, well, look, what I know right now is that getting into the US top 100, top 25, top 10 charts is good, but it's a very expensive marketing campaign. If you're doing offer walls, incentivized downloads, if you're buying banner impressions, it can be very expensive to get in there. But if you get into countries like Germany or Australia or the United Kingdom that have a lot of influence in what happens in the US, it's much, much cheaper. Something worth checking out. The other one is get your app reviewed. Get publicity and exposure on app review sites. See if you can get in magazines, newspapers, or even on TV. Every morning there's people talking about apps on radio and on TV. Number 3, establish some type of public relations. You can submit press releases online. Wrap your press releases and media around something. So around a story, around a topic. Tips for kids or education or business travelers or stay-at-home mums, or wrap it around an emotional story that is newsworthy. So all the traditional things that apply to marketing and PR marketing apply to doing a press release. You can do press releases online and offline. So there's plenty of that. I'm sure we could talk about this for ages. What about number 4? Here's something that some people have done well, is they've used unique postage stamps and given them to companies and other people for free to use their postage stamps of their app, or they've used them in promotional purposes. So think outside the box. Think about, what could I do to build a brand and create an identity and create something that engages people? And postage stamps, beer coasters, you'll be amazed what you can use. What about promotional ads with other applications? You can use promotional ads, be it
just images or videos, with other applications. There's already people who are promoting to your marketplace that you can kind of jump on the back of and partner with.
Number 6, the Add This button is a great social media button that you can actually integrate into your apps for people to share either your websites or share your app. They can share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter. This does drive traffic. You've got to make it rewarding and engaging and worth sharing. There's a few great apps like Temple Run right now that are rewarding people to share to Facebook or to tweet. So you might want to incorporate a reward mechanism with your app if people share it.
Number 7,
target your advertising. This is so important. Not everyone with an iPad or an iPhone or an Android device is going to download your app.
Who are the people that are going to download your app? Who would want to download your app? Find that out and only market directly to them. The more you can filter out and segment your list, the better it's going to be for you. Number 8, promote your application with current customers. So there's already people who have downloaded similar apps that you can cross-promote with, or they've got apps or software or something offline or online. How can you jump into that pool? Marketing via email.
Email marketing still works. Yes, the deliverability and read rates are much lower than what they used to, but you can still do targeted media buys and media lists to email marketing and create a fun campaign that's going to be engaging and give people a reason to click. So number 11, strategic pricing. You might have a strategy to actually create a premium product, or you might go into the marketplace and set it at 99 cents and then drop the price for a weekend or a week or a special. That'll cause a influx in downloads, and there's multiple ways that impacts it. We'll come back to in another video.
Number 12, make a presentation. That's right. You can create presentations and PDFs and videos that you can syndicate online. So people searching for similar apps or your type of app topic, your app can show up, therefore causing downloads. This media really helps. Let's run through some of these really quick. 13 is launch sponsorship. 14 is integrate sharing tools, social media, reward sharing. 15 is integrate Twitter. 16 is exclusive content. Give people bonuses like wallpapers, videos, music, ringtones. These things are really easy to create. This exclusive content really helps. We got number 17, which is mobile barcoding. QR codes work. See how you can use it. 18, this is very important. Update your app every 2 to 3 weeks at least. Push something great. Push new content. Push new in-app purchases. Push a whole heap of good quality content, plus fix the bugs and the issues with your apps. This will let your community know, and the people who are currently downloading your app know that you're actually improving it. They see version numbers are changing and you posted fix notices, they'll support you. We go number 19, collaborate with others. Very, very important. Mastermind with other app developers, collaborate with your audience on Facebook, Twitter. Get out there and start talking. 20, online networks. We all get invited to a different social media network or friend network every single day in our inbox. Start using that. Who could you network and promote with? 21, search directories. There are so many ways that people search for apps online and just search for content. Make sure your stuff's listed. The traditional SEO matters. Use your blog, Facebook fans. 24, 2 versions of the app. Create a free version and a paid version. A free version will be downloaded 10 times more than a paid version. So if these aren't giving you any ideas and a whole task list of work to do, you're not paying attention and you're not really thinking. 26, professional email. Take this seriously. Yes, you can use a Gmail account, but also have professional emails. Have it branded. Don't have the email when you're doing promotion or marketing coming from sexdude51 or drinksonthebeach@gmail.com. People won't take you seriously. At least have some credibility. Make this a business. 27 is a new website. 28 is create a mailing list. Always have a subscribe, a register button, or you can create lists now with Facebook or Twitter. Create a list so you can communicate with people when you want. Number 29 is my favorite, video campaigns. Video is over 50% of all search content, and this is where people are going. This is where the trends are. Create videos, simple videos, raw videos, promo videos. Do video marketing, and I'm sure we'll do a video just on what the hell is video marketing. Number 30, ad-sponsored applications. AdMob and other ad networks will allow you to run sponsorship campaigns. There's like free app a day campaigns. So many ways you can get sponsorship in other apps or on websites or on forums. Just keeps going. 31 is LinkedIn. 32 is forums. Forums are massive. There's people there talking and engaging, and then there's more people coming and reading what these people are talking and engaging about. So have your ads there, have your content there. Go get in that conversation. People are already talking, so get in the conversation. 34, use current resources. So if you have or existing sell sheets or promotional resources, use them. Provide them with people. Let other people use them to share your apps and about your business and your story. Create stuff about you and your developer story. 35, direct snail mail. Direct mail works and actually has got a very high conversion rate in comparison to email. It's actually better than email nowadays, and we don't get much direct mail anymore. There are ways you can use it. There are people you can target by running this promotional campaign. Yeah, it costs a little bit more and it's not as instant as an email, but it can get some great exposure. 36, promotional goods. What novelties, t-shirts, mugs, cards, pens, and etc. can you actually create to use in promotion or have other people give away for you? 37, always be talking about your app. Tell everyone, share it, let people download it, play it, have demo devices that people can engage with. It's going to work in your favor. Here's a tip, video those people using your promotional stuff, talking about your stuff. It'll get other people wanting to be using your app. 38, professional phones. This is similar to point 26. You need to, if you allow customers to actually call your office and talk to somebody, and this is, some people say yes, do this, some people say no, don't do this, but I like to have the professional approach and I like to talk to people on the phone because it could be media people calling me on the phone or calling my office on the phone. It could be customers who have got an issue or got a problem or giving us great feedback. So set up a professional phone service, and it can be as simple as using Skype. Skype is great, or there's some other services like RingCentral, so you don't have to have a phone. You can be in the coffee shop or have the calls forwarded to your mobile or cell phone, and you can answer it anywhere in the world. There's great services, but if you're going to provide it, let people connect and talk to you. 40 is text messaging. 39 was design and utilize banners. Banners are big, so different banner graphics, and make sure you have them animated and static options, but there's plenty of tips we can talk about later in another video on that one as well. 41 is using Dig. 42 is using free classifieds. This is another online search optimization strategy. All the classified websites out there, there's thousands, hundreds of thousands of them that can provide links, and people are there, like Kijiji, or in the US, Craigslist, or you might even want to put stuff on eBay, or you might want to see what you could even post on Amazon if you're getting merchandise that you can, it helps people get exposure. 46, well, 47, 44, well, let's go back to 43, hey? Party. Throw a party at app marketing events, or like Game Developers Conference, or Inside Social Apps, or Facebook conferences. Every big company nowadays has conferences and events, and you'll be quite surprised that you can actually go to these events and they're looking for someone to sponsor just the alcohol or the food component, and therefore you contribute to the party with the gaming audience or a utilities audience who want to download it. If you're targeting doctors and medical professionals, go to those type of conferences, sponsor the bar or sponsor something, get talking, have a few promotional staff there. You'll be amazed what happens. 46 is a great one. Candy. People love candy. So there's a great ways that you can get your logo, your brand, your image put onto candy, be it chocolates or on the wrappers and stuff that you can send to people as a gift. Use at conferences and events, be it just mints even. If you want to really cheap out and go those really nasty mints you have in events, you can do that. People love promotional freebies, and let them entice it. If you're going to be using them, see if you can put a QR code or something on there so people can scan the box, the wrapper, and download your app. Great way to do it. And number 50 is update company directories. So have your company business information listed everywhere so people can find you and engage with you, and update all the directories to say, these are your apps, these are the games you got, these are the utilities you got. And you'll be amazed that people search them and go, wow, I didn't realize they were doing this. I thought he was just doing this in his bedroom. Now he's got a big business. Look bigger than you are, and it can also help. Or have a great story, and it can always help. So there's a list of 50. We didn't touch on all of them in detail, and some of them we just skimmed through. But you should have at least a whole heap of ideas on how you can now get more marketing and exposure and visibility to your app. Yeah, some of them are going to cost a few dollars. Some of them are free. Some of them are time. What you need to work out now is where and how are you going to spend your time in creating marketing and exposure for your apps. This is one of the things that you don't have to do. You can employ people to do, and create a 6-month plan. Put a few things in place, track, see what works for you, and you'll be able to make it all happen, and over time, you're going to see results and get success. So don't dismiss everything straight away. Sometimes the craziest things, or the things that you think are completely stupid, work the best. So this is Ben Bressington from How to Make Millions with Apps. We're having great success with our apps right now. We're posting some great feedback and data on here, and there's going to be a whole heap more information about how you can make money with apps right here on this website. Put your comment and feedback below, and I look forward to seeing what you're doing to get promotion and exposure for your apps. Discover the secrets of how you can make apps for free. It is possible, but I share more than that. I share the secrets of how you can create, market, and publish apps even on a low budget with no coding, programming, or design experience. It is possible. Trust me, I went from 0 to 150 apps in under 12 months. I make my entire living from my app portfolios, and I've shared the secrets of how you too can make apps in my book, How to Make Millions from Apps. And when you order today, you'll get over $128 worth of free bonuses, along with access to a VIP members-only community, which has amazing resources. So if you're looking to be successful in the apps business and create top 25 games or utilities, create apps on a low budget, this book is for you. How to Make Millions from Apps is going to fast track your app success. This is Benjamin Bressington, the author of How to Make Millions from Apps, wishing you happy success in your app journey.